guys, today I want to explain you about sociolinguistics. The material is Pidgin and Creole. Before that, you know Pidgin or Creole. Okay, here I want to explain you about that. The first is Pidgin. What is Pidgin? Here, Pidgin is a language that has no native speakers. Pidgin is involved as a means of communication between people who don't have the same language. It grows up among people who don't share a common language, but who want to communicate with each other. For example, like people from Saparua talk with someone from Aboru. In the street, their communication will be different, right? And then, why Pidgin developed? We think Pidgin developed as a means of communication between people who don't have a common language. And then, what kind of linguistic structure does a Pidgin language have? Pidgin language are created from the combined efforts of people who speak different language. For example, a language involved may contribute to the sounds, the vocabulary, and the grammatical. And then attitudes. Pidgin language don't have high status or prestige. And here, a Pidgin language has three identifying characteristics. Okay, the first is it is used in limited domains and functions. The second is it has a simple structure than the source language. And the third, it generally has a low prestige and attract negative attitude, especially from outside. And the next material is Creole. Okay, what is Creole? Creole is when a Pidgin language is adopted by a community as its native tongue and children learn it as first language. According to the Cambridge Encyclopedia of Language, a Creole is a Pidgin which has become the mother tongue of a community and therefore has native speakers. And from that, we think Creole also means that a language that begins as a Pidgin and eventually becomes a first language of a speech community through being learned by children. For example, for Creole is Bahasa Melayu. Nah, in here Bahasa Melayu was adopted as Bahasa Persatuan or unifying language, or we call Bahasa Indonesia. After being adopted as Indonesian community, it has been learned by Indonesian people, right, as native language. At present, there are native speakers at the language. At present, there are native speakers of the language. Okay, I think that's all for me, and sorry from my mistake. See you next time, guys, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.